for carrot. Cuckoo carrot, orange and bright. Cuckoo carrot, such a delight. A is for duck, 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 swimming by. Duck, duck, duck says quack, oh my. E is for egg, what's inside? Egg, let's take a ride. F is for flower. Flower blooming wide. Flower with springtime pride. G is for garden. Garden green and neat. Garden smells so sweet. H is for hat. On my head, kitten hat, pink and red. I is for insect. Insect flying by. Insect buzzes high. G is for jelly bean. Jelly bean, color so bright. Jelly bean, what a delight. K is for kite. Kite flying so